right? So today we are going to discuss about the healthcare accessories, and these accessories are very essential in one hospital where we have to provide our services to patients through pharmacists. So pharmacists must know about the basic fundamental things about the accessories of hospital for healthcare. So first thing we'll see pregnancy test kit. This should be available in the hospital where you are handling the pregnant women or the expected women. Pregnancy test is taken place before pregnancy. When pregnancy start, means how can you find out she's a pregnant? So pregnancy test kits detect the presence of human chorionic gonadotropic hormone in urine. So how can you test a pregnancy? In urine, if you'll find HCG, human chorionic gonadotropic tropin in urine, the pharmacist must instruct the consumer about the proper instruction carefully. So the pharmacist should inform how to use this kit. Maybe the patient will buy this kit and go home and do himself the pregnancy test. He will take she will take her urine sample and then test according to the instruction given on the kit or provided by the pharmacist. So this is the first test. You must have this kit in your pharmacy in the hospital. Then we have a ovulation test kit, means when the female ovulation start, means the ovum comes out from the ovary, entered into the fimry, fimry to ampulla, ampulla to uterus. And if there is no zygote, then it will comes out with the menses material. So ovulation test kit, when the ovulation started, because this is the right time for the pregnancy. If ovum is present over there, the sperm is present over there in the uterus, then the zygote, and they produce the medulla, then trophocytes, trophoplasts, and then convert into fetus, and fetus into, convert into embryo, and embryo will convert into fetus and then baby. So ovulation test kit is very necessary. It should also be available in the hospital or in the pharmacy. The ovulation test kits help predict ovulation time. Means what is the time of ovulation? Maybe day, maybe night, maybe any time in the day, maybe any time in the night, and is used to increase the chance of conception. If you get the time that this is the time, ovum comes out from the ovary into the fimry, fimry to ampulla, ampulla to uterus. So this is the time to release sperms. This kit measures the surge of luteinizing hormone that occur before ovulation. When evolution occurs, when the ovum develop, and it comes out into the uterus, there is a release of the luteinizing hormone, which help in the maturation of follicles, which is a immature ovum. So evolution kits is also there. Then we have got a blood glucose kits. These accessories should be present in your hospital pharmacy. Glucose test kits monitor the glucose level of the diabetic patient, because the diabetic patient must have random 180 and fasting 110. This is the standard concentration of glucose in the blood. If the patient is fasting, means she, she or he has taken the food in the night at 8, then after 8 in the morning, we'll go for a test, take out a drop of blood and put it on the slide, and then the meter will show you the level of the glucose. In fasting, it should be 110, and in random, it should be 180, less than 200. Glucose kits, test kits monitor the glucose level of diabetic patients. A drop of blood is first placed on the strip. You puncture your middle finger and then put that drop of blood on that strip, and then just insert in glucose monitor for a measurement. So you have to advise to the patient while you're selling your glucose, blood glucose test kit from a pharmacy, you also advise how to use it or help out to the patient or his companion. Urine glucose test. We also test the urine in a diabetic patient, and urine glucose test kits include such product as a Benedict solution, tablet, or usually test strip. And we check the glycosuria. We call it glycosuria, means glucose in the urine. This is also one of the indication for diabetes. So we go for, so this kit also, you must have these things in your pharmacy, which is a healthcare accessories. Ketone test kits. You know, in the diabetic patient, the ketone bodies forms and they harm to different organs. They reach in body because this is acidic in nature and destroy the organs. So we have to maintain the lower level of these ketone bodies, which is produced in diabetic patient. The ketone test kits help in detecting the presence of ketone in diabetic patients' urine as an indication of the glucose control. So you can control the glucose. Then we have a blood pressure apparatus, monitors devices, electronic and mercury, both two type of blood pressure monitoring devices are available. This is, one is, you can see, is a mercury and other is a meter. This model is the most accurate and does not require calibration. It is generally more expensive and requires the use of a stethoscope. So with the blood pressure apparatus, we in mercury, we need a stethoscope, but with meter, we doesn't require a stethoscope because we put a stethoscope diaphragm on cubital fossa. When you turn your hand up at the elbow on the anterior side, the cavity is known as cubital fossa. You put your diaphragm the stethoscope and listen the sound. The sound will once start and it will then finish and then again it will start. So upper is a systolic and lower is a diastolic. We call it 180 by 120 by 80. So 120 on the top is systolic when heart contract, and when heart relax, it's a diastolic blood pressure. So we can check this blood pressure of patient through the mercury model or a metered model. Now its electronic is also available. You put that electronic in front of you and you can take the blood pressure and it will, the monitor will show of that instrument, that is electronic. Here is electronic or digital model. This is also available. Here it is showing systolic 148 and diastolic 82. So the model are the easier to operate, and they do not require stethoscope. It also works without the stethoscope. Component of the first aid. First aid boxes should be available in the pharmacy to sell or to use. Hot water bottle. This is also an essential thing. Healthcare accessories. Hot bottle is an instrument for applying dry heat. It is made up of rubber. Hot water bottle has an opening through which warm water is added and stopper separately sealed with a washer. Pharmacists must instruct that bar rubber should never be allowed to come in contact. And we have got electrical heating pad. These pads are also available and should be present in your pharmacy to sell it out or to use on your inpatients. The advantage of electric heating pad over the hot water bottle include the possibility of leaking and precisely control over temperature. So this is the advantage. Then we have got moist heat packs. These packs are used. It contains beads which become hydrated in boiling water and combine into a gelatinous which has the unique property of holding its temperature for longer than any other pack about. So, right. So these moist heat packs are also available. What to do? It contains beads, small beads, which become hydrated in boiling water and combine into a gelatin, form the gelatin, which has the unique property of holding its temperature for longer than any other pack. Ice packs also used. Ice packs, ice pack is a reusable instrument of application of a cone. It is usually a circular rubber or a rubberized Macintosh cloth bag. So this is also used, ice pack. Tonsillectomy ice pack. What is tonsillectomy? When tomy means operation. When you remove the tonsils, which you can see in under when you open your mouth at the back side, there are two tonsils. Tonsillectomy we called it. And after operation, tonsillectomy ice bags on adaptation of the ice cap is used for the throat inflammation. After tonsillectomy, because there is a trauma, so there is inflammation. To control the inflammation, we use ice bags. It is the collar shaped rubber bag and it first snugly around the neck, holding the ice on the part. So inside this bag is present ice, so that it keep that area cold and prevent the inflammation. Ready freeze ice pack. This is also available. These are also called the cold packs, which are instead of using ice filled with a glycerine or an isopropyl alcohol water mixture. And they also have a freezing temperature and they are used for to control the inflammation. Instant hot and cold packs based on the chemical reaction is either endothermic produce cold or exothermic producing heat. They maintain heat or cold for 30 minutes. So these are also available. Also, this all we have what we have learned is necessary for the health care in hospital. Now we'll see the surgical supplies. Bandages, adhesive tapes, combined primary and secondary wound dressing. So these tapes are very important. Bandages, adhesive tapes, combined primary with primary secondary wound dressing. When you go for the dressing of your lesion or a wound or injury, for example, on the knee, there is something happen and there is a pus formation inside, then you have to give a cut in operation theater, take out the all pus material, then clean it with iodine or urusol solution. Urusol solution is a combination of sodium bicarbonate and water. There is certain concentration. So you dip the gauze in that solution and then from the prop enter into the wound from where you have taken out the pus and clean it from inside, and then take a gauze and put the uracil or a iodine and pack it. That hole should be packed. So then we put a adhesive tape on the top after bandaging. So this is the whole procedure. If you when you work in the hospital, you will see how they use the bandages. Different kind of bandages are available. We will discuss about that also. Pressure bandage, support bandage, elastic bandage, and rigid bandage. So bandages are of different type. One is that which will provide you a pressure. One is that which just give a support. One is inelastic, and one is elastic, extensible, and one is rigid. Type of bandages: gauze, which is thin, cloth type, have a holes. Muslin bandages, elastic bandages, orthopedic bandages. Orthopedic bandage means where there is a bone involvement. There is a dislocation of the arms, legs, joints. Stocknet bandages like a stock. Cast bandages, which is used in the big fractures, like if there is a fracture of ulnar radius, to stop the mobility, you use the cast bandages. Gauze roller bandages, you can see here in the photograph, on continuous piece, tightly rolled or free from the shedding. Cotton muslin bandages, you can see over here, made of the heavier unbleached material, used where gauze bandages not provide support, hold bulky compression dressing. Elastic bandages, woven elastic bandages, support pressure bandaging, injuries dressing stability. Crab bandage is commonly used in at joints, and is very comfortable for patient. High bulk bandages, type of elastic bandages. There are different type of elastic bandages. Heavy elastic webbing containing rubber threads, a special wave allow it to stretch twice its length, made up of multiple layer at crimped cotton gauze. So these are all type of bandages. Triangular bandages, also called Smart bandages, corner cutting of the muslin used in the first aid. ये डिफरेंट टाइप के बैंडेजेस हैं जो हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ठीक है ना। और ये बहुत जानना जरूरी है ये, क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल में जब आप काम करेंगे, व्हेन यू वर्क इन द हॉस्पिटल, यू मस्ट नो all these things and involve yourself. Don't spend whole time in your room in pharmacy. You have to move around. Go to the emergency. Go to the surgical theater. Go to the cardiac ward, different wards, and see what is happening over there. If you go to the diabetic center, you just go and see how they are using those kits which I have just discussed with you. When in OPD, doctors are taking blood pressure. Go and see how they are taking the blood pressure. What are the marks over there on the instrument? How they use stethoscope with the blood pressure apparatus. Orthopedic bandages means when there is fracture. Function, immobilization support to broken bone. If the bone is broken, we have to stop the mobilization of that joint. We cannot move that joint because the bone is broken down. So we need support through orthopedic bandages. Material, plaster of Paris. On the bandage, we put the plaster of Paris. It's a prototype of things. When you have a whitewash in your home, that painter also bring these plaster of Paris to fill the openings. Synthetic cast material, plastic sheets. Fabricating material, plasters that firmly bound to the fiber, polyester, fiberglass casting. These are all orthopedic bandages. Right. So we will talk about use prior to application of plaster of Paris, stock stockinette, cast padding, apply before application of the cast, provide comfortability, absorb moisture and allow skin to breathe. Adhesive tapes, which you can see in this figure. Medical adhesive tapes are widely used in hospital to secure medical dressing, life support equipments, and monitoring devices onto skin, which requires careful consideration and knowledge about skin adhesives. So medical adhesives are widely used in hospital to secure medical dressing, life support equipments, and monitoring devices onto skin, which requires careful consideration and knowledge about skin and adhesives. These are all available in the market. If you go in any hospital pharmacy or any pharmacy, you'll find these things, as well as if you go into the wholesale market, like Afar Chambers in Sadar, you will find all shops of these type of accessories they are selling over there. Type of adhesive materials: natural, semi-synthetic, or synthetic. There are three types of adhesive tape materials. Natural starch gelatin, natural rubber resins we use, synthetic vinyl, acrylic, synthetic rubbers, resins, aldehyde, amine, base, epoxide, etc. Semi-synthetic we use cellulose, cellulose nitrate, methyl cellulose, etc. Adhesive tape in the forms. The characteristic of skin composition, construct, and functional make the adhesion to skin very challenging, because this is the figure of the skin: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. There are three layers in the skin, and it has got a blood supply, hair follicle, and sebaceous gland which secretes sweat, oil. Sweat gland is oil. We secrete oil, sebaceous gland. Skin is a self-renewable and replenishable surface. Means the healing of the process of the skin take place by itself. Skin is a low surface tension surface. Skin is a rough surface with hairs, folds, pores for the sweat and oil glands and wrinkles. This is the characteristic of skin, because we are putting those tapes on skin. Acrylate adhesion, widely used in surgical dressing where reduced skin trauma is required. Non-woven or fabric baking is used due to the hypoallergenic material based on adhesion, cohesion, and flow properties of manometer use. Porous backing material used are rayon, taffeta cloth, and suited for heavy dressing. Paper bags is used for lighter dressing. Other cloth backing, elastic cloth or a foam backing. Justification used in surgeries. Not affected by the heat, light or air, thus has excellent shelf life, properly stick to skin, long-term adhesion, permeable to water, vapor, so are non-cohesion, non-occlusive, hypoallergic, repeated use with the minimum damage. So these are the properties the dressing during surgery, right? So we use such type of dressing which should not affect after the surgery when we dress that part, for example, joints or any skin cut after surgery. That should not affect through heat, light, or air, and must have a long expiry shelf life. Properly stick to the skin means adhesion properties should be good. Permeable to water, vapor, soap are non-occlusive, means from the body due to this bandage, the vapors will come out from the body due to the heat, and it must have a permeable to water vapor. Hypoallergic, some people are allergic to certain type of materials, so it should be hypoallergic, minimum allergy, repeated use with a minimal damage. It should not damage to the skin. Rubber-based adhesives used on different part of the body. You can see in the figure also how they are using rubber based adhesive. Use where stent adhesion support, where you need a stent. And economy is required, cloth bag or plastic bag. Composed of the elastomer, synthetic, natural, grip, rubber, natural, isobutylene, alkaline, acrylate, synthetic. Advantage and disadvantage. Superior adhesion, economical. And what is the disadvantage? Yellow color, resins, antioxidants, plasticizer, coloring agents are added to make it white. So some chemicals are added in that. So there are certain advantages and disadvantages. What we have done up till now is a healthcare accessories, right? And here comes the role of a pharmacist. What is the role of a pharmacist? Advise on reaction caused by the tape consistent of heterogeneous complex mixture of the organic component, right? So what your duty is? Advice to whom? Patient or doctor. Caused by the tape consistent of a heterogeneous complex mixture of organic components, because it has got different things in that adhesive tape. So we must advise the doctor or a patient that it has got different things and it may react with your skin. Erythema, edema, or papules. Erythema means eruption of the skin. Edema means swelling, and papules means small pimples are there, can occur to patients. So firstly, patch testing should be done. So before putting a big adhesive tape or any type of thing on the skin, you must take a small piece of that bandage and put it on the skin and see the reaction. So we call it patch testing be done first. Combined primary, secondary wound dressing. Combined primary, secondary wound dressing. Also called the composite dressing, have a primary and secondary components. Degree of occlusion depends upon dressing type. Layer of the composite dressing, bottom layer, middle layer, and outer layer. There are three types of layers in dressing. Simplicity of use, inexpensive, and comfortable use of the composite dressing. These are the requirements. Dressing type, hydrogels, hydrocolloidal dressing, calcium alginate dressing. These are the dressings type. These are cross-linked polymers. We call it PVP. Non-adherent dressing. They do not stick on the skin. Use as a burn treatment. Useful in hairy area. These are hydrophilic colloidal particles. Fluid absorbable absorption occurs. Mass of these dressing consist of gum-like material, X, X protein, bound by an adhesive X polyisobutylene, useful for low to moderate wound. So these criteria should be required. Azelaic acid is a natural occurring polysaccharide, means sugar, derived from the brown seaweeds, highly absorbable, used on moderate to highly warm, used to pack warm. Hydrogel dressing, indication, advantage and disadvantage. Indication, necrotic wound and painful wound. Necrotic wound is where there is skin or the flesh have got changed its normal texture into the abnormal. We call it necrosis. Reduce wound pain, non-adherent. Disadvantage, macerate wound skin secured by a secondary dressing. Amorphous hydrogel, impregnated hydrogels, sheet hydrogels, form of hydrogel dressing we use. This type of dressing also we use. Hydrocolloidal dressing, indication, necrotic wound as a secondary dressing, self advantage, self adhesion comfortable, bad odor, injured the fragile skin. So everything has got some cons and pros, means some advantage and disadvantage. So where to use and where not to use, this should be in the knowledge of a pharmacist. If the pharmacist will advise patient to use such type of dressing, and if it is contraindicated in that condition, then this is a mistake of pharmacist because he is not aware of or not having the knowledge. So this is because of that we are giving you the knowledge. Indication for hemostasis, surgical incisions, calcium, alginate dressing. Advantage, non-occlusive, reduced frequency of the dressing chance changes. Disadvantage, distinctive odor, secondary dressing needed. So if you have any question, you can ask. And in next class, we are going to start from another surgical supplies topic. ठीक है, आप लोगों को समझ में आ रही है बातें? हेलो हेलो।
जी सर।
अच्छा, तो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट क्लास हमारी जो होगी वो फिजिकल होगी जुमेरात को, थर्सडे नेक्स्ट वीक। तो आप लोग इसमें अगर कोई चीज़ ना समझ में आए तो मुझसे पूछ लीजिएगा। और मटेरियल मैंने आपको दे दिया है, आगे का मटेरियल मैं आपको भिजवाता रहूँगा।